everyone, so today we have got the Aldi Lacura Advent Calendar. I'm dead excited about this. This is the 12 Days of Lacura Beauty Advent Calendar. This is what it looks like here. This costs £20, so it is a 12-day Advent Calendar. It's very pretty. I love the packaging. I feel like it feels like Christmas. And yeah, we're going to unbox and see what this is the packaging here, and it is this, like this inside. Very pretty. I'm dreading that it's a push door one though. That's the only thing I will say. This works out at about £1.66 a day, and we're just going to get right into it. So this is day number 1. Day number 1 is the Silky Kajal eyeliner. It has a smudger on one side, like a sponge smudger. And then it is a Kajal eyeliner pencil, or however you say it, eyeliner pencil. And that is day number 1. We have day number 2, which is down here. We have got the Vitae Base Moisturising Primer. I've had this before. It's nice enough. Yeah, it's quite nice actually. Smelled lovely. I wouldn't say it's as good as the Bobbi Brown one, because I love the Bobbi Brown one, but it is nice enough. So that is that one. Day number 2. We want day number 3, which is this one down here. We have got the Hydrate and Shine Tinted Lip Oil. A nice little size. And let's have a go of this. Oh, I don't know. Oh! That's nice. It's got quite a bit of pigment. That was 3. Went day number 4, which is up here. Oh, I'm not sure about this day. We have got one little silky hairband. Nice enough little hairband as it is, but yeah, I'm not sure whether that you're getting your worth out of that day. So that was 4. We went day number 5, which is this one here. We have got the Dramatic Lash Mascara. I've had this before. It's not my most favourite mascara, but it was alright, especially for like Aldi prices. So that is 5. We want date number 6, which is this one here. We have got this Stay Illuminated Liquid Highlighter and Luminizer. I feel like I own this already. How pretty is that? That is so pretty. That was 6. We want day number 7, which is this one here. We have got a mini version of the Illuminating Setting Mist, and I love this. I purchased this so much. It's actually unreal how much I purchased this. Literally got this on my face right now. I love this setting mist. One of my favourite budget setting mists, so very happy with that. That was 7. We want day number 8, which is this one here. Don't know how you meant to open this one. Oh, these are pretty actually. So we have 2 items in day number 8, and they are really quite pretty. They're them sort of hair clips. That is them there. They are quite pretty. I quite like that day. I wouldn't say it was worth £1.60, but I do like that day. That was day number 8. We went to day number 9, which is up here. Another product I already own. It is the Sweet Blusher. I use this quite often. I'm sure I already own this blusher. And this one's in the shade Peachy Pink. I'll have to check. But yeah, I'm sure I already own that. So that was day number 9. And day number 10, which is this one here. Ooh! We have got a hair oil. I've never used this. I've never seen this. It says it's apply 1 to 3 drops of hair oil to damp or dry hair. So yeah, it's just like a hair serum, hair oil. Oh, that's a good little size as well, isn't it? That was day number 10. Day number 11, which is up here. We have got the collagen lip oil. Now, loads of people went crazy for this a little while ago, because I feel like it's meant to be like a bit like the Charlotte Tilbury one. So that is nice. It's day number 11. And then day number 12, our last day. Oh, it's a big one. We have got the scalp and body scrub with sugar crystals to gently exfoliate. Ooh, I've never seen this product. I don't think I've ever tried this product. Oh, it smells lovely. It smells actually beautiful. And that is the Aldi Advent Calendar. So this Advent Calendar, like I say, was only £20, so very budget friendly. Is only 12 days though, but I feel very happy with what I got for £20. Well, my mum actually purchased this for me. Some of the sizes are smaller than the actual sizes when you purchase the products, but working it out at £1.66 a day, I'm quite happy. The only days that I wouldn't say were worth the £1.66 was 4 and 8. But no, overall, I'm quite happy with this Advent Calendar. I really like it. And yeah, I'm dead happy with this. I think it's really nice. This Advent Calendar is only available in stores, but it only came out yesterday. So hopefully they still have some available if you are after this Advent Calendar. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And anyways, I do have a lot more Advent Calendar unboxings coming your way, but I hope you enjoyed this. And anyways, if you haven't already, I would love to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in a minute.